When the sun shines, everything here is sublimating. Our translating design is infused with the soul of art as well. The sound of rhythm in the air awakens the high efficiency and high quality standardized production. At this moment, the standard starts its own journey, and a kind of existence beyond the standard fills the space here. That's ingenuity. Which conveys concentrated, professional and delicate care of every product. The high temperature flame baptizes. Even if it is rejuvenated, it still needs to go through rigorous inspections.